Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Facebook setting, and today video title is guys how to turn on videos notification on our Facebook account. So friends, you want to use videos notification on your Facebook account, so how to turn on and how to use it one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So first of all guys, we will turn on Facebook application. After turn on Facebook application friends, you can see this type interface on your Facebook application. So friends, you want to use notification setting, videos notification setting friends you want to use. So friends, how to use videos notification setting one by one we will talk about. So first of all guys, we will turn on Facebook setting and privacy option. After tap on setting and privacy friends, you can see we have three options: setting, device request, recent and activities. So friends, we will tap here setting. After turn on Facebook setting friends, you can see this type interface. So friends, you want to use notification setting. So how to use notification setting on Facebook account? So friends, if you tap here notification, so you can use notification setting friends. You can see comment notification, tag notification, reminder notification. We have friend request notification setting you want to use. So friends, you can use friend request notification setting also. Group notification, birthday notification, updates from friend notification you can use. So friends, all notification you can use here. So first of all guys, we will tap on videos notification friends. You can see videos notification is off, so if you tap here, so you can use your Facebook account video notification. These are notification for when people or page you follow broadcast a live video. Here an example. So friends, your friend is live now. Okay, your friend is live now and you want to use this notification on your Facebook account. Videos notification you want to turn on. Allow notification on Facebook friends, right side this icon, this button we will tap here, and after turn on friends you will get three more option when you where you receive this notification: SMS, email and push. You want to use, so you can use it, and you don't want to use this notification on your email, so you can off. You can use only push and SMS, and you want to use, so you can on it. So like the friends, you can on videos notification. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video to end out. So you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.